Hey friends, if the Google Chrome toolbar is missing on the top, then please watch this video. So I'll show you this case with Chrome that see we have a toolbar at the top, but if you press F11, then the toolbar is gone. Basically, this is called the full screen mode. And to exit it, press F11 once again. Now, if this is the issue, which it would be in 90% of the cases, it will be resolved. If not, just close Chrome and then search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open it once again. So if that doesn't help either, then maybe there could be an extension which is causing the problem. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions, select manage extensions. Now let us say that we had some extension here like this one, and that was causing some issues. So all we had to do is go back to the same page, try disabling this extension and check if it helps. If it doesn't, then simply remove it. And the last one is obviously to reset Chrome, because when you reset Chrome, you're basically resetting all its settings and the possibility of any error on Google Chrome impacting its properties. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Go to the reset settings tab on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to their original defaults. Click on reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.